KidsVision TV.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are learning to draw and color the rainbow star. Let's start by drawing. First we are drawing a star. Let's draw with me. Now I am drawing eyes. Let's draw the other side. I am drawing its face. Let's draw the lights. Now I am going to color it. Let's color with me. Red color. First I am coloring its upper side with red color. Let's color its tongue. Now I am coloring orange color. It's time to color the yellow color. Let's color with me. Green color. Let's color the green color. Light blue color. Now I am coloring light blue color. And the last one, indigo color. Hope you enjoyed the rainbow drawing. Light pink color. Now I am coloring its mouth.
Subscribe us for more videos.